Hello everybody, this video will be in English because in this video I want to present my small modification GT6 Ore Helper. This is an add-on for GT6 which shows some useful information about GT ores in NA. So why I did this modification? Because when I was playing GT, I had some problems with ores. For example, I need to create this quicksilver thermometer. I go to NA and see that I need mercury. So I found that for mercury I need quicksilver ore. But I understood that this ore is not generating in the world after some time. Another problem was to find tin ore. I thought it is somewhere underground, but now I can see from my mode that it is above the surface usually, so from level 60. The same we can see, for example, for diamond. So I need a diamond for my crusher, and I go and see that diamond ore is generating from level 5 to level 10. So this is what this add-on can show you. I think you understood my idea, and now I want to tell you a little theory about the possible ways of how ore is usually generating in GT. So we have 5 different types of ore generation. It is black rock, it is small ore, large ore, stone layer, and ore between two stone layers. So let's start from the bedrock ore. Bedrock ore is very easy to find because it has such indicators on the surface, such yellow flowers in my case. So we see a lot of such flowers, so we can tell that here we have a bedrock ore. So such GT flower. Now go downstairs, and yes, on the 0 level, on the first, we have this mesocyte ore. We can also see this small mesocyte ore, so bedrock ore. This ore we can extract only with such machine. So we need a bedrock drill, and if we start it, we can see that it is generating stone blocks plus some bedrock dust and our main ore and some additional ores. So this is quite a useful type of ore, bedrock ore. Next we have small ores. As we can see here, we have small redstone ore and small graphite ore. Go to our add-on, select redstone, for example, and check. This ore can be generated as bedrock ore and have such flower as an indicator. Also, we may have small ore, as we see now, from 5 to 20, and we may have up to 8 such small blocks per one chunk. Also, we may have large ore, but large ores, you can, maybe you know them from previous GT 5. So, but here they are generating in other dimensions, so not in the overworld. In the overworld, we have only stone layers. So we can see that our redstone can be generated only in this stone. So only in this stone. plus, yes, small ores can be generated everywhere, all over the world. What else we can see? For example, we want to know which ores are generating, so or may be generated in the end. We click on Endstone and see the list. We have 37 different types of ore that can be generated. So as we can see, some ores can be generated only in the end dimension or some additional dimensions from modifications. So here some small ores and some large ores can be generated in the end. The same for nether. We can go and see nether generation. Here 35. For example, we can see that this small ore is generating only in nether. So only in this dimension. This one. Next, some of them it is very interesting. For example, like this Nakwadah ore. It can be generated only, as you can see, on Mars, and only if you have mod Galacticraft. So only if you have such mod you can find Nakwadah ore. The same for other ores, so you need some additional mods in order to find all possible ores that can be found in GT6. So also you can go and see generation of black sand. Where is it? This one. So we see that black sand can be generated only in river biomes and only on such level. So yes, and only in overworld or in twilight forest if you have such mod. Yeah, and in the twilight forest it is generating in the biome twilight stream. The same also if we go, for example, for black stone or black granite. In black granite we have some stone layers, plus also we can see that some ores can be generated only in specific biomes. So just here, and we can see that some ores can be generated only if we have two specific stone layers. So we have marble and we have black granite. Only if we have two of them we may find this ore. So this is what I want to tell you about this mod. If you have any questions you can ask me in comments, or if you need some urgent answers you can write me in Telegram, just to search for my nickname. I will leave the link to this mod after the video, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.